What's up, nerd man?
Doing pretty good, nerd man.
Nerd man, you need like a N on your chest for nerd man. Doing nerd things.
That's me.
I guess I'm the sidekick then.
Yikes.
I'm not a sidekick. I'll be my own nerd man one day. All right, let's skip it. I'm Justice.
I'm Jacob.
We're on our bronze email badge. So I hope you got to this point through hard work, dedication, and
Badge collecting.
Yeah, badge collecting. We're on it. Let's go.
Question 1. What is email?
Email is a digital message between two or more people. Some sort of digital message that gets sent, right? Regular mail is a piece of paper. Email is a digital.
Question 2. Why is email better than a regular piece of mail?
I'll hit you with a few reasons. One, it is wicked fast. It's faster. It is way cheaper. And truth be told, you can receive it anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. Yeah.
Question 3. How long does it take to send an email? That was an email.
Seconds. Real fast. It takes a second or two. A couple seconds to send an email. Real fast.
Quick as lightning. Question 4. How much does it cost to use email?
It is $3.
$3? I don't know if I have that much.
It's $3.
Oh,
free.
free.
Free. It sounds like three. Oh, it gets them every time. Free.
It gets me every time.
Email is free.
Question 5. How does the email know where to go?
Where did you go? How does it know? Well, here's how. Each person has their own unique email address. There's never ever been two email addresses exactly alike from the same two people. Everybody has their own unique one. So if somebody has justiceisAnerd@gmail.com, even if I want it, I can't have it because email addresses are unique to each person.
That's why some have numbers at the end.
Yeah, Justice is a nerd 1.
Bingo.
Oh.
Oh. Question 6. What does a valid email address look like?
What does it look like? Okay, well, there's there's like 4 or 5 parts, depending on how you split it up.
Mm-hmm.
But there's always like a name, right? Justice is a nerd. Then there's an @ sign. It's like an A with a circle around it. You know what? I'm going to take a second to throw up the @ sign right there. That's the @ sign. And then there's whatever the email service is, like, for example, my personal favorite, Gmail. And it's always followed by some sort of domain extension like .com. So, for example, another good one that I would love to have, I love cats @gmail.com is a valid email address.
That person already has that.
I'm sure. Send them an email. Maybe they'll sell it to you.
Question 7. What are some popular email services?
All right, I'm gonna hit you with 3 really fast. Okay, ready? Google, Outlook, Yahoo. Oh, let's slow that down. Ready? Google, Outlook, Yahoo. And some people use their own custom domain, right? Like @jaco.com or @justice.com. Yeah, you can have your own custom domain email if you buy one.
Sounds good to me. Question 8. What's the most popular email service?
The most popular. It's ran by Google. Google. And it's called Gmail. That's right. Not email, Gmail. Yeah, it's the most popular email service. I use it. Many nerds use it. So you should too. It's my recommendation. You don't have to, but you could still use AOL. I'm sure that's still a thing.
Yeah.
What question was that?
That was the final question.
The final
Question.
Yours was way better, man.
All right, man. Congrats.
Thank you
on your bronze email badge. Best of luck to you guys. Go on and take your quiz. And we'll see you at the silver badge. As always, I'm Gmail. This is AOL. And we'll see you.
I don't want to be AOL.
Too bad, buddy. See you next time, guys. Bye.